correction. Init pa ko. So, good morning, everyone.
Morning.
I am Cecil, by the way. I have been an associate since last August, September, something like that. So it's almost a year now that we have been with Max International and we have been using the product about the same time also. So the product has helped me relieve my problems with sinusitis. I have mga bouts of atake na siya with allergies, magabad na siya diri, sakit ng ulo. Until one day, I think days after I took it, first few weeks lang yun siya when I took the product. Ni-drain out na yun siya from my nose, nga wala siyang sip-on. But it's different from a sip-on because the sip-on kay sticky man. Siya mura siyang tubig. Yeah, I had to confirm it with my the doctor I knew, ENT specialist din siya pa, ear, nose, and throat. Kung hindi ba ito siya cerebrospinal fluid, nanggawa sa naman akong ulo, tapos kahadlo. And he said, it's probably just from your allergies ba? Yeah, iyan kong gibisitaan o pang-anti-allergy. Of course, I did not take it because I'm already taking Max. So I'd like to thank Max for that. So wala ko panipalit sa tambal, Max nandiyan po siya. And then it has also helped me with my menstruation because it has regularized even sa stressful days. And just recently, I have enrolled myself. I'm now a freshman medical student now. And for like days now, or ever since classes started, 3 to 4 hours na lang yung taon ako tulog kay kung dili ka mabasa sa chapter sa libro, luoy kay kang mataag. So, kung mayon si Doc, karelate din si Doc Joey ani, luoy kay kung naa silang libro sa una paragraphs, karon di made mention ni siya sa among teacher about the benefits of glutathione. He made mention about how good it is, how it should be vital to our body, which is not known to everyone yet. And it's a fallacy for others to believe that it's a whitening. Kaya ingat siya, if people will tell you na, uy, puti ko sa glutathione, you should tell that person, uyan mo, masakit to, makain ka. Because that's the reality. If puti siya, because of the glutathione, meaning masakit to na siya. No? So that's something that should be stopped, and we are the people, rightful people, to share that news.
Yes.
And because of that, I am also thankful because even with that little amount of hours lang sleep, I can survive the whole day classes. And today I just had 3 exams from 9 in the morning until 5 in the afternoon. Nagka-cram pag yung kung kayo itontoon, or kuwang lang ang time, or kung pwede i-extend of 36 hours ang day, no? Kaya kuwang dyan kayo siya, promise. So ka-cram pag yung in between, ano ba, cram yun, kung mas exam, tuon sa kubalik, ano, but wala kaya mag-make-up to eh. So that's how good Max Jackson is. So, thank you, everyone.